Hi, this is Mike, and I've been busy trying to work out where I went wrong with this whole analysis, right? Because it sure as hell isn't what I thought it was. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you what I believe is going on, right? So, what I think happened here is what you see on the screen. I believe we saw wave one, we saw A, B, this tiny little shitty C, right? And I think that what happened with Silvergate caused the D wave to expand, right? And the ongoing saga with Silvergate caused the E wave to be this tiny little shit wave that happened right when I went to sleep last night, which was completely annoying, right? Because I missed that move and it's really annoying. That's all I can say. So down the lows, we're going to talk about that in a minute and how we can get back into this trade because I think it's just getting started, right? So first of all, I need to explain that what happened in the middle of this D wave, it was a five wave move, but it was the C wave of the D wave. Okay, so the initial Silvergate crap that happened caused the A wave of this move, right? The B wave was this small correction here, and then the rest of this choppy mess was the end of the D wave. So it had to try and be as long as A, but it couldn't quite get there, but it surely tried as hard as it could, right? And then once it finally did end down here with the ending wave five that I counted last night, right before I went to bloody bed, right? I went to bed and this E wave happened, right? That's what that move was. It was an E wave, right? If you have a look closely, you can see that it's a five wave move. Okay, you have one, two, three, four, five. Okay, a weak five wave move with alternation, massive alternation between wave two and four. Right. Initially, I was thinking this high was something else, but I'm not going to get into that because I think that's silly. It's wrong. And I proved it to be wrong later when I did my analysis. But all I can say is this has been insane. And, sometimes I just hate being human because you got to go to sleep, right? I wish I could be awake 24/7 to trade, except it's not possible, right? So that's what I think is going on. We only had one, three began last night after that really weird correction that started back in end of Feb, right? 26th of Feb, whatever, right? So that's all that stuff was just corrective. This is the first move down, right? It's going to get longer than this. This is just the beginning. So I need to explain to you what I think is happening at the low so we can get back on track here and not miss another move, right? So let's talk about what's going on here, right? Could this potentially pull back to the upside higher? Well, it might do in wave E, or it might not. And I'll explain what I see here. So I've marked it out already. This move here, I believe, is an A wave. I don't believe there's a five wave move in there. I think that the C wave is definitely longer than the first part, but there's no wave five. So it's A, B, C, D, E, right? So this is what I think is going on here. Right, we break this low here, and I think it's going to tank even harder. Oversold on the daily and the 4 hour. It doesn't matter. It's going to go hard because that's wave three. It's just going to go hard and hard and hard. Now, if this breaks the low, yes. If it doesn't break the low, wave E could extend potentially higher, right? But you be the judge of that, right? I've done my work here. I've hopefully you understand what's going on, and hopefully I can post this soon enough. Thanks.